Coming down heavily on the proposed border fencing along the Naga inhabited areas in Indo-Myanmar border, United Naga Council UNC has issued a directive asking all Naga population, especially those falling under the jurisdiction of Chandal Naga People's Organization CNPO, to disengage and fight against the government's move. The directive signed by UNC President N.G. Lodho further asked the units and subordinate bodies of the Council of the impacted areas to initiate stringent steps to prevent a border fencing at their respective jurisdiction in unison without fear or favor, forewarning that those Naga individuals or organizations who involved in colluding with the implementing agents for favor, cooperation or providing assistance to the related departments will be viewed seriously and face dire consequences as per the standing resolution and position of UNC. The directive also asked Naga people affected by the proposed border fencing to prepare for any eventualities. It further termed the government's move as a sinister design of the colonial power to alienate the Nagas from their lands.